friends, we have a midweek haul. We have a touch of Walgreens. We have some more Dollar General pennies. And we have a Rite Aid $13 money maker. OMG. So the first store that we're going to dive into is Walgreens. I'm pretty sure that's why the majority of you are here for the Walgreens Intel. Valentine's Day either hits 70 or 80% depending where you live on the general merchandise, and chocolate is 75% off. And the stuffies also, they're either 75 or some of them are 80, depending where you live. But like that bag of Kisses for $1.50, great deal, especially with Easter around the corner. Really good, smart buy. And this cute little stuffy, the soy sauce and sushi, I left it there. I didn't buy it. And the little snow globes are $6. They are adorable. Now, if you missed it, I made a video earlier in the week. We have this booster of 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand items. A lot of household stuff, pizza, water, trash bags, cold medication, even toilet paper. I go through everything. I will link this video at the very end in case you missed it. I think this is probably a deal most of us should be doing to stock up on household merchandise. Fetch Rewards is giving back 2,000 points when you buy liquid Arm & Hammer. It's $1.99 this week over at Walgreens. So I know a lot of you are like, oh, I didn't know that. So photograph your receipts to Fetch to get some points back. This morning, which is the 21st, we got these 2 boosters, a 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty. This is valid till the middle of March. And then the 7 back when you spend 25 for next week only. The top one everybody should have. The bottom one is probably a your mile may vary. So definitely go and check right now and then come right back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you my cart that I got here. The 2 Venus razors and then a melange of Febreze items that include a small spaces, an air effect, and a plug. This is on some sort of goofy promotion to spend 15, get back 5, and we have a lot of digital coupons to go with all of this. So I'm just going to tell you what I did. I got 1 of each, and they are a buy one, get one 50% off for the Venus razors, so you're not paying that much. Load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. And then for the Febreze, I just grabbed 3 of the items, the first including the spray for $3.29. Sorry, it's not cropped in, but that single can, that's what we're looking for. We're loading this digital coupon. This is from weeks back, but I never used it, so I finally used it yesterday. I was like, I'm going to try this deal. This plug, and you can see that it's part of a promotion too of buy 3, get a $3 register reward. And for that plug, we have this $3.20 digital coupon, so make sure you have that guy loaded. And the final item I got was a small spaces, again, for $3.29. This was the last one at the store, so this must be a very popular item with shoppers. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a $2.30 off. So that is a whole heck of a lot of digital coupons to go with this deal. I'm going to just show you guys my receipt. Venus, BOGO 50% off, and $3.29 times 3 for the 3 Febreze products. So I had $1 from the Dawn I bought earlier in the week, and then all of my digital coupons coming off, 3, and then 3 $2.30 digitals for the Febreze coming off. So the new total is $16.95. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and then paid $8 and some change with the tax. And then I did this deal with no booster again. Got back $16 in register rewards. The top one is a 5 back when you spend 15, the 8 back when you buy 2 of the Venus razors, and then the 3 back for the Febreze. So this is $16 of register rewards. So you can either count this as $1.95 for all that magic, or 95 cents because I used $1 register reward from a Dawn deal that I did weeks ago. But what a deal, 95 cents for this basket. I just had to buy the gain because I haven't seen this since this deal was live, but they're $1.99 register reward when you buy 2. So I grabbed 2 of them at $1.99 a pop for $3.98. Either pay that or roll $4 in Walgreens cash, and you're going to get back $1 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But like, what a tremendous deal. And I have not seen this in a long time in any store, so I was shocked to find it, so I had to buy them. And here's the register reward, guys. So I love it when all these register rewards are printing and everything's great. If you can line up the last deal with digital coupons, make it happen. The next store that we're at is Rite Aid. The first couple deals are just clearance items with digital coupons. The Toms of Maine, they're changing the packaging for this product to look more like all teal, like on the left hand side in that coupon. They are $2.24. Subtracting that $2 coupon, you're paying 24 cents for a deodorant that's almost $9. Like, wow. And then the Hello, which is a very cute little deodorant. We have $1 digital coupon. It's on clearance for $2.24, so that'll make it $1.24. So if you have no desire to do a big $45 basket, but you just want some cheap items, these are two for you if your store has the same clearance as my store. Okay, so we're doing a basket with this 10 back when you spend 45. Next week we don't have one of these, so this is the basket that I bought. 4 Sensodyne toothpaste and 4 soft soaps. This is all to go in concert with my bonus cash challenges because I have one for soft soap and I have one for Sensodyne, and I need Sensodyne because my teeth, whenever I have a piece of ice, I hit the roof, literally. So very sensitive teeth. These soft soap body washes, a couple influencers are saying Fiji is not tracking with the bonus cash challenge, so be mindful of that. $4.99. When you buy 2, you get $5 back in bonus cash, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and then the same one on ShopMe. This is my bonus cash challenge. It is to spend 30 to get back 8, and I achieved the $5 mark because I had some tracking from deals from the way back, but I am like delighted to get halfway there, and I think next week I'll be able to finish this one. And for Sensodyne, it was $6.99 to spend 25, get back 10, and there's a website too for a $10 Visa gift card. We'll talk at the end. And my bonus cash challenge was to spend 16, get back 4, and this is something I desperately needed for the old teeth. Here's the math for this. For the soft soaps is $19.96. For the Sensodynes is $27.96 for a total of $47.92. I had a home mailer of a 4 off of 15. Cashier scanned that for me along with 1 digital. And then I also got the cashier to scan the 10 back when you spend 45. I paid $39.92. I just rolled some bonus cash that was on my store card. I got back 30. $10 for spending 45. $10 for buying 4 of those soft soaps, and $10 for buying $30 or $25 of the Sensodyne. And then I'm also getting back an extra $4 from ShopMe for the extra 2 soft soap, a $10 gift card, and $9 from the bonus cash challenges. So this makes it free plus a $13 money maker after everything is said and done. Everybody's bonus cash challenges are a little bit different, but if you have the same ones as I mean, this is a tremendous money maker. I've really been kind of struggling with Rite Aid because some weeks the deals are fantastic and other weeks the deals are not so great, but this is where it gets a little bit better. There is this website, activaterewards.com/goalgetter. You can do this twice per household, and it is to spend 25 on Flonase, Sensodyne, those good products. Get back a $10 Visa virtual gift card. You can use it at Amazon. I used mine at Bath and Body Works as a pickup, and it's pretty easy to apply for this, and I think the next day I got my gift card. So make these deals happen over at Rite Aid. The last store that we have is the Dollar General, and it's been 11 days since that surprise penny list was dropped, and there was a lot of like Christmas food and other stuff that's been thrown in since, and I still found a whole bunch of surprise penny items, so I thought it would be fun. I think I found about 70 yesterday, guys, and this was like just regular schmegular stores I haven't been around to, and this is Dollar General country where I live. And I'm just going to different stores, looking. And this was one where they had a end cap full of beauty clearance products. And I'm also looking for items to go with the clearance event that's happening March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And as you can see, I'm just throwing in those lotions and the different skin creams, and all of this a penny, you guessed it, and I was shocked. And this is the Studio Selections, which is the Dollar General brand, and I was like, a penny? You're all coming home with me. look through a lot of the gray totes, or if you see a box like this in the clearance section, you might actually find some clearance makeup or small loose items. That's what I was looking for. I had no idea I would find all of those lotions and other items, and I was like having my prices right moment, and it was quite spectacular. I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is a very old penny, I think from last November. It's a plug for a smartphone to charge, and like you guessed it, a penny. And this is what I was finding a lot of at this one store, the Johnson and Johnson Clean and Clear, a penny. They have the lemon and the watermelon, and the Studio Selection lotions. It's supposed to look like Bath and Body Works, but I think it probably didn't hit the mark if it was in the clearance section. And one store I found 15 of these Jelly Belly gums, and they don't expire till September, so something the Easter Bunny is definitely going to be putting into those baskets this year because it's a perfect item and it's sugar free as well. And then I found they had a food basket with clearance stuff, more of these, I think they're called Alani cookie and cream protein bars, lots of those, and then more of the kosher baby dill. And I found these in the food dollar spot on a bottom shelf near the vinegar, and I found two of them yesterday. So if I'm clearly finding a lot of Christmas foods, there's not a lot of couponers in this area or penny shoppers. So I'm definitely going to be going back to that store in the future. So guys, I would still look high and low in these stores. If you have like 10 free minutes on a lunch break, make it happen. I've shown you a lot of the items. You know what you're looking for. The list is so vast that even myself, I'm not a very good penny shopper. I'm still finding a whole bunch. Good luck, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.